Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set shortcut button on Vivo Y17s device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, you can open the settings menu. And then here you can scroll down. And you can go to shortcut and accessibility menu. After that, here you can select easy touch option. And then activate it like this. After that, to set it, you can click Customize menu here. And then on the first section, you can select the apps you want to add. Just tap this icon and then select the app you want. Okay, for the next section, here you can add the tools you want. Well, just tap this icon and then select the suitable tools. But if you want to remove the apps or the tools, you can simply tap it like this. And then the shortcut button on your device has been set. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set the shortcut button on Vivo Y17s device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.